Today I'm going to show you 2 ways of making eggs over easy. And the goal is pretty much to make them with no broken yolks, no stress, and no fancy tools. Most importantly, I'm using a non-stick pan. Add about a teaspoon of oil. You don't want a pan that's screaming hot. You want it medium low. Between 3 and 5 is the sweet spot. Add 1 tablespoon of water off on the side of the pan, not directly on the egg, and cover it immediately with a lid. My lid here doesn't fit perfectly, but that's okay. You just want to trap enough steam to cook the top. And you'll see the yolk go from clear to slightly cloudy. And when it looks like frosted glass, it's done. No flipping, no drama. Season it, and let's cut into it and see what we have here. Oh, look at that. Ooey gooey, yucky eggs. That's what my kids call them. Now, here's a classic method. I call it the flip. It's the same setup. Oil in the pan, egg goes in, but this time you're not gonna use water. Wait until the eggs are fully set around the edges and mostly set underneath. And patience matters when it comes to making this kind of egg. If you can't, please use a big spatula like this. This is bigger than the pan. Flip it gently, flip it once, and count to about 10 seconds, like 1 hippopotamus till 10, and then you're done. And that's pretty much enough time to warm the egg yolk on the other side without cooking it through. When it comes to cooking eggs over easy, the more you do it, the better you'll become. Eggs over easy, 2 ways. Same goal and different ways of doing it. If you want the full written recipe, the recipe is in the description. I hope you have an awesome day.